Hi, family. Let's talk about the importance of certainty today and why it's so important and how to get more certain, especially when it comes to your manifestations. Because if you don't know what you want, how can the universe give it to you? My name is Lindsay. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in anything from me, that's all going to be in my About section. I offer all kinds of level ups there. If you're ready to get started with passive income, start your online business, you can get started as a complete beginner, no subscribers, just like I did. You can even go faceless. You can learn affiliate marketing there, coaching sessions, literally anything that you want to do. If it's online and you're ready to learn how to use all these incredible tools, even the free ones better like ChatGPT, it's all going to be there. There's also an incredible book there where you can level up spiritually. It's full of light codes. Make sure that you read it more than once. You get new light codes every time. And anything else on self-development and manifestation, you're all going to find in my videos. So let's go ahead and get started. The importance of certainty when it comes to your manifestations is astronomical. And the reason for this is because if you don't know what you want and the less certain you are, then the universe just brings you a bunch of uncertainty. It literally matches that vibration of not knowing and uncertainty and maybe even confusion. And so that's exactly what you're going to get. So that's why certainty when it comes to literally knowing what you want, creating a picture of your life that you want, and the more certain that you are, the more you're going to get what you want. This is why things like journaling are so important. When you see videos like people talking about how everything that they wrote down came true, or the power of vision boards, it sounds like something for the little ones, right? But I made a vision board. I am a huge believer in them. And again, it just helps you get so certain. I would show y'all, but I do think showing your vision boards is kind of a personal choice. You can be kind of subject to people's projections, and it's really just for you anyways. But again, if you want to show the world your vision board, do it, baby. But vision boards are so important, especially when, for me, I did a combination of writing things down and cutting things out, and I actually had to make two. One had more written things on it and one had more of the cutouts on it. But again, incredibly important. It's hanging in my closet. I look at it every single day, and more importantly, so does my subconscious. But all this journaling and vision boards and everything, the reason why it's so powerful is because it just helps you to get so certain, so vivid. The more you create that vivid certainty, the more you are going to get that, and probably more. So start today, start right now. Just write down one thing that you want and be really, really clear about it. Get really detailed, vivid, write it down. I don't care if it's a car, a house. Start small even. Maybe you want a new pair of running shoes. I need those right now, so that's the first thing that came to my mind. But even that, I've been thinking about the exact ones that I want and making it really clear you can do it with everything. And the more you do it, the better you get at it too. And the better you get to know yourself. And the more you get to know yourself, the more clear and certain you get, the more that you get what you want. Now, again, if you are not sure, don't feel bad. Please don't feel bad. I spent so much time being uncertain and unclear and just kind of letting life happen to me, and especially when I was in my more low vibrational, people pleasing kind of behaviors and habits, and that really got in my way. Which brings me to another point. I think if you're uncertain, if you don't know what you want, start small. Again, maybe you just need a new pair of running shoes. That is a great place to start, or whatever it is for you, because those little things are just going to breadcrumb you to the bigger things that you want. And if you really want to know the real trick to getting to know what you really want and getting super certain and giving yourself the time to write it down more every day, or even take a weekend to make a vision board, you are going to do that all by spending time with yourself. The more you detach from people and situations that are ultimately dragging you down and distracting you from what it is that you really want, the clearer that you're going to get. So do yourself a favor, take yourself into a healthy isolation, detach, and give yourself some time. Get quiet. Don't be on your phone, nothing like that. And the more time that you spend with yourself, the clearer and more certain that you are going to get. And it is just going to make you so much more happy and free and just focused on a daily basis. Because if you aren't waking up every day and creating your future, then you are just sleeping on yourself. And I don't want that for you, and I know that you don't either. So start there. I hope this was helpful. And again, another great point too is to think about your distractions like this. Don't get mad at them, because you can actually use them to give you information as to say, like, hey, I'm here to show you what you're really craving, what you really want for yourself. So I hope this is helpful. Again, I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one, family. Much love.